Welcome to Yoga Veda. Namaste. Welcome back to our channel for a relaxing session to de stress our spine. We will be doing very simple bends and decompression to release stress from our spine and relax it. It's a great routine to do every day before you go to bed or when you are done with the day's work. Please practice with your own comfort and do not overdo any stretch or bend. If you feel like taking a break in between, then do so. Let's start with first bringing our mind to the present. Let's start the session. Sit straight. Preferably take a pillow or a cushion, sit on its edge. Bring your hands on the knees, palms are facing up. With gentle exhalation, close the eyes. Relax all the muscles in the face. Relax the space between the eyebrows. Relax the dentures, a little gap at the back of your jawline. And as you feel this moment of relaxation, take a deep, long breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, like you're taking a sigh of relief. One more time. Inhale, take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, like you're taking a sigh of relief. Gently bring both your hands in front of the heart chakra in Namaste. Rub them against each other, nice and warm. Take the energy to the eyes and face and warm up the entire body. With few soft blinks, open the eyes. From here, comfortably lie down on your back. Notice that your back is nicely aligned with the mat. If not, you can bend your legs from the knees. With your gentle inhalation, take both your hands up towards your head. Stretch all the way from the tip of your fingers to the tip of your toes. Decompress your spine and keep taking slow, gentle breaths. Try not to hold your breaths here. Try to stay here for 30 seconds to a minute as per your comfort. Keep on breathing and notice the stretch all the way from the tip of your fingers to the tip of the toes. Stretch fully. Feel your spine getting relaxed. With gentle exhalation, relax and bring your hands towards your hips, palms are facing down. Bend both the legs from the knees. Widen the feet mat width apart. And we'll start with Vakrasanas or supine windshield viper. Now gently move your hands towards the side, shoulder level, palms are facing up. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, move both your legs to your right side. Stay a few breaths. Notice the beautiful twist in your lower back. Look towards your left hand. Inhale, come to the center. Exhaling, twist both your legs towards the left side, looking to your right palms. Stay here comfortably, breathing in and out, and notice this beautiful stretch all the way from your neck to the lower back. Inhale, come to the center. Now gently bring both the feet together. Lift the feet up, bring your knees closer to the chest. Hold your shin from the outside or from the inside, whatever is comfortable for you. And with every exhalation, try to bring your knees closer to the chest. Keep the shoulders relaxed. So if you're holding around the shoulders, let it go. Breathe. And for some of you who want to make it a little bit more challenging, as you exhale, try to lift your head up, bring the nose to the knee. But if you are comfortable here, stay here. Stay for few breaths. And relax. Exhale and gently bring your head back on the mat. Bring the feet back on the mat. Relax. Now lift both the feet up. Feet facing up towards the ceiling. Widen the feet. And try to hook your big toes with your middle and the index finger. Gently bringing the knees closer to the armpit. Stay here. Keep on comfortably breathing. Notice the stretch in the groin, inner thigh, and the calves. If you feel like getting a little bit more stretch in your feet, pull the toes towards yourself. With your gentle exhalation, release that big toe and bring your feet back on the mat. Relax. Now gently bring both your feet together, knees together. Bring the knees closer to the chest, hug it again from the outside or inside, whatever is comfortable. Comfortably breathing, use your core muscles and try to lift up and sit back on the mat. Rolling back and forth. Do it as per your own comfort and pace. If you feel like doing it a little slow, please go ahead. Customize for yourself. And gently relax, come to sit back. From here, turn towards the mat in a prone position, lying down on your belly. Forehead or chin on the mat, whatever is comfortable. All the 10 toes are touching the mat. Hands beside the hips, palms facing up. Now gently bring your hands towards your chest, palms are facing down. Pushing the 10 toes down, lengthen through the spine, inhale and lift the head, chest and chin away from the mat. Notice that all the 10 toes are touching the mat without lifting the feet up. Stay here. Bring the elbow closer to the waist and use your lower back to stay in the posture. Comfortably stay for a few seconds. Exhale and gently take your forehead or chin back on the mat. Now bring your forearm to the front, all the way from the elbows to the palms. All the 10 toes are touching the mat. Inhale, lift your head, chest, chin and the rib cage away from the mat. Push the shoulders back and away from the ears. Notice this beautiful stretch in your upper back and the neck, and breathe comfortably. Stay here. And with a gentle exhalation, bring your head or chin back on the mat again. Gently sliding your hands towards the rib cage, a little below your chest. Elbows are facing up. Let's move on to the another asana. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Lift your head, chest, chin all the way till the navel. If you can lift your thighs up, try lifting the thighs up as well. If you can't, you can take help of your knees and the thighs. All the 10 toes are touching here. Shoulder and wrist in the same line. Keep the neck relaxed and breathe comfortably. Exhale and slowly, without any jerk or commotion, bring your head or chin down on the mat. Slowly bend the elbow, relax. You can bring your hands towards the hips, palms facing up, or you can bring them under your forehead, stacked on top of each other. Take a little break, relax, catch up on your breath. And with your next inhalation, gently bring your hands to your chest again, palms down, elbow facing up to the ceiling. Lift your head, chest and chin all the way. Let's come into the tabletop position or Meru Danda Asana. Notice that the shoulder and the wrists are in the same line, and hands are open shoulder width apart. Hip and knee in the same line, and knees are open hip width apart. Exhale, pull your navel in, and as you inhale, try to look up, pushing the belly down towards the mat, and push the shoulders back and away from the ears. Exhale, start to hunch your back, taking the chin towards the collarbone. Tuck your pelvis in. With your next inhalation, again try to look up. Shoulders are away from the ears, belly towards the mat. Let's do a few rounds here with your breath. Exhale, hunch your back, taking the chin towards the collarbone. Try to tuck the pelvis in. Inhaling, look up. Exhaling, hunch back. Tuck the pelvis, chin towards the collarbone. Keep repeating for 10 more seconds. and relax. Bring your spine nice and neutral to the floor. From here, let's move towards the puppy pose, Utthana Sirsasana. Drop your elbows on the mat, forehead on the mat. Notice that the hip and knee remains in the same line. Make any adjustment in your knees if you need to. With your fingers, try to work ahead if you can. And notice this beautiful stretch in your shoulder blades and the lower back. Stay here for a deep relaxation in the spine. If any point of time you feel like coming out of the posture, go ahead, relax in child pose or Makarasana. And relax. From here, lift yourself up, bring the hips towards the heels, forehead on the mat, lengthen the spine, and stay in the child pose. You can keep the knees a little wide or together. If the forehead does not touch the mat, use a block or a cushion to rest it. With your next inhalation, let's come back to any comfortable cross-leg seated position. And gently, as you inhale, bring both the hands in front of your chest. Interlock the fingers. Inhale, palms out. Take the hands all the way up. Bring the upper arm closer to the ears, stretching the armpits towards the ceiling. Notice that your both hips are on the mat. If they're lifting up, try to press them back. And with your next exhalation, start to lengthen through the left side of your spine and bend to the right. Notice that your left hip and left knee stay on the mat. Keep your head in between the hands and try to stretch the left armpit towards the right side. Feel this beautiful stretch. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, repeat to the other side. Lengthen through the right side, bend to the left. Notice that your right hip and knee remain on the mat. Head in between the hands and right armpit stretched towards the left side. Relax the shoulders and inhaling, come to the center. Exhale, bring both your hands down. Relax. Now from here, gently bring your right forearm on the mat. Palms are facing out. Palms are facing down. As you inhale, start to lift your left hand all the way up. Or start to slide your left hand towards the armpit. Relax the shoulders. Look towards the left side. Elbows are facing up to the ceiling. Stay for a few breaths or until you are comfortable. Inhaling, gently come to the center. Repeat it to the other side. Drop your left forearm on the mat, gently bending to the left side. Exhaling, start to slide your right hand towards the right armpit, right elbow facing up, shoulders are relaxed. Look towards the right side and stay here. Gently as you inhale, let's come to the center. Relax. Softly close your eyes. Feel the stretches in your body. Calm mind, relaxed body. Comfortably breathe in, breathe out. Take a long breath in through the nose. Breathe out through the mouth like you're taking a sigh of relief. And with few soft blinks, gently open the eyes. I hope you enjoyed the session. We will be coming with more such practice along videos, so keep tuning in. Till then, to be informed when we release our latest videos, you can subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you enjoyed our session, do let us know by clicking the like button and share it with someone who you think might need it. See you with another relaxing yoga video. Namaste.